Welcome to the channel. I'm Tony the Technician. Today we're going to be going into the Amazon tool deals and checking out some of the items that I found for this week. These are either going to be items that are on sale, items that even at their full price or list price I believe to be good deals, or items I find interesting and would like your guys' input on if you guys have used them. I will also have all of these linked down in the description for you guys with their own independent links so they're easy to find. And then I'll have two additional links that says tools and tools continued. Those two links are going to take you to a long list of tools that I've went over in the past or other tools that I suggest. So that's all there for you guys. So first up, we're looking at some 3M double-sided tape. Yes, very simple product, very handy stuff to just have on hand. Whether you're mounting things to cabinets, walls, like my truck bed inside my cap. I installed lighting and running the wiring. I used these little tabs to hold the wiring, and the tape on the back of those sucked. So luckily I always keep like two of these rolls on hand of different widths, and this stuff is just super handy. Just keep a roll in the shop or house, and it's fantastic stuff. You can get it in different thicknesses, different widths, different lengths. This is 1/4 inch by 15.4 feet at $6.79, not even on sale. When it does go on sale, it's about $5.50. So a little bit of savings, but I mean, under $7 is fantastic stuff to just have a roll on hand. Like you can get 1 inch, 1/2 inch, and then when it comes to the double-sided stuff, I typically stick to the name brand like 3M or Gorilla. I've had really good experiences with them, and I haven't had great experiences with items that come with their own double-sided tape that isn't 3M, and it just ends up falling off. So anytime I buy some, I typically go with name brand stuff. So that's what I wanted to share, especially at this price. Isn't bad at all. So that is the first item up. This has 4.5 stars at 472 ratings. Next up, we are looking at the Jegs brand AN wrench set. This is good for -4 to -12 or 4AN to 12AN. And these are made in the USA. They're clear anodized and laser etched aluminum wrench. This is, if you guys haven't gathered by the title already, these are AN wrenches for AN fittings on fuel lines or coolant lines or whatever lines you're running, maybe in your car. I have a few different AN lines in my car. Not just building these lines, but installing them. It's best to use an actual AN wrench or an aluminum wrench, just because the AN fittings are usually anodized and they're usually softer. So if you use like a normal adjustable wrench or a normal wrench on it, not only are you going to damage that anodizing or that paint that may be on them, depending on what brand you go with, but you're also going to possibly damage the fitting itself. And these AN wrenches are usually a standard length, so you can't apply a lot of torque, because with AN fittings you don't need a ridiculous amount of torque. The way they fit together, they seal really well without a ton of torque applied to them. And they're a softer aluminum, and they prevent damaging the coating or anodizing and the fitting itself. It's just a safer way to go about it, whether you're installing them or building the lines. You can also, if you don't really deal with AN stuff, but maybe you're gonna, you might deal with it in the future. Maybe you're gonna do a project, but that's really all you're gonna do. Then you can buy like an adjustable like this. I have this exact same thing, just in red. This is Evil Energy AN adjustable wrench, and it worked just fine. Now, during the assembly of the AN fuel lines, using an adjustable was kind of a pain because the adjustable ones tend to be thicker. So getting on certain parts of the AN fitting can be a pain, but it's still better than just a normal adjustable. But if you want a good USA made set, I think this is a fantastic price for a good range AN wrenches. And this has 5 stars at 1 rating. I didn't even bother checking the price on Jegs before this video, but using my tracker, it does show that Jegs has this at the same price, $63. Walmart sells it for $93. This is not on sale, nor has it ever been on sale since it's been added to Amazon. This is just the standard price, but I wanted to mention it because it's a USA made AN wrench set, and a lot of these USA made ones can go well over $100. So I think this is a really good price for a good size set of AN wrenches made in the USA. Next up, we are looking at the Craftsman 20 volt max cordless drill and impact driver set. This is going to be the drill, the impact driver, 2 batteries, a bag, and a charger for $99, down from a list price of $150. And this price fluctuates a lot. It says it's been down to 85 in the past. That seems like a really weird price, so maybe they had a coupon on it or something, but it usually sells for basically $145 down to $115, but every once in a while it does show that it sold for around $86 a couple times this year. I haven't seen that, and that's kind of a weird price to be at, but Lowe's sells it for $100 right now. A couple other sites have it at $120. Fleet Farm has it at $150. I'm not a big Craftsman person, whether that's their hand tools or their power tools. Just not a big Craftsman fan, but it's not up to me. I think this is a good deal, so I figure I'll mention it anyways. So if you are one that runs Craftsman, no judgment. If that's what you like, then that's what you like. And if that's what you have, if you're like me, you don't want to just buy, even if I find something that's a really good price, I don't typically buy it. I run DeWalt 20 volt and Milwaukee 12 volt. I try to keep all my tools in there just for the sole fact that I don't want to have 15 different types of chargers and 15 different types of batteries for everything. I want to try and keep it simple. Even though I'm not a Craftsman user, I thought this was a good deal for 2 tools, 2 batteries, a charger, and a bag. I figured it was worth mentioning. This has 4.7 stars at 7,633 reviews. Let me know your guys' thoughts. If you guys have been running the Craftsman stuff, let me know your guys' thoughts on it down in the comments. Next up, we're going to go into a scan tool, and we're not going to go super in depth, but Launch is a brand that I've used for many years now, probably close to 10 years actually. And I've had a few of their different scan tools, from their basic code reader basically up to their full on scan tool. And this is kind of their middle of the line scan tool. It's got many more features than just a code reader, but it can't quite do as much as the full-blown expensive scan tools out there. This is at a great price of $178 with a $37 coupon, so under $150. They had another variation of this just recently on sale at $108 or something like that, but it was one of those flash sales, so I knew I wasn't going to get it on here in time. But they have a lot of different options. Now, if you're in the automotive field, yeah, it might be best to stick to something that you can get updated or easily, warranty or, get assistance with. But Launch has a decent, it's like hit or miss. You're either going to have really good experiences with customer service or you're not. Some people will say it's the worst. Some people will say it's very easy. I haven't had any issues. This has lifetime free updates, which is nice. Here, just quickly going over the basics. You have 7 reset. It can reset up to 7 different functions, and the overall layout has stayed the same since I've had basically the same tool. The one I have is all touchscreen. I do like the buttons on it. Sometimes that just makes it easier, but it is also touchscreen on here as well. You can do battery tests, read codes. You can look at live data, voltages, temperatures. Just depending on the vehicle, it can work with up to 90 plus different brands. I'm not going to go over all the information. I could make a video just on this. Here are some of the 7 reset functions: oil reset, SAS, throttle matching, ABS, BMS, brake reset, and DPF. This runs off the Android 8.1 system. It's got a 6,000 milliamp hour battery, a 5-inch touchscreen. So, I mean, these Launch ones are nice for maybe just getting into the professional field, or if you're a weekend warrior DIYer that does a decent amount of work, or if you are one that just takes care of your vehicle or your family's vehicle and you want something more than just a code reader. This is something that is going to allow you to get that little bit more information without going out and buying $1,000 plus scan tool, but also offering more information than just a code reader, especially for around $150 and sometimes even less. Sometimes you can find these closer to $100. I think $150 is well worth it for this one. The other one that I was talking about, closer to the $100, I think it has a couple less features than this unit here, but Launch does offer quite a few different options. Like here's their X431, which is one of their biggest, more of their full-blown scan tool. And then here you can see the 2 different options there. but they range in pricing. You got a smaller handheld code reader here, but this one still provides a decent amount of information, and that one's at $20. This has 4.4 stars at 3,026 ratings. And then last up is a simple product. This is from Nylite, and this is a 622 piece electrical connector set, and these are just super handy to have on hand. I like to keep supply of different connectors and wiring and solder connectors, and these are nice to have on hand. You can get these pre-wired or not. Like, these ones are not wired. You have to fully assemble these, but you have the option of picking exactly what you want. Like, this has 1-pin connectors, 2-pin connectors, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6-pin connectors. So I mean, you have an assortment of different size connectors here, so you can do a lot with them. Usually the ones that come pre-wired, you get like 3 inches of a pigtail coming out the back, and you have to buy, you know, a set of 2-pin connectors and then a set of 3-pin connectors. It all just depends on what you're kind of after. Plus, with the ones with the pigtails, then you're adding in a connection there at the pigtail, where this you can just simply crimp your wiring to the connector, not have any unnecessary additional connections or solders in your circuit. So that is nice. So this is just something I keep both styles on hand, these ones and the pigtail ones, just depending on my scenario or situation. And they're very easy. Don't feel overwhelmed by the assembly process. It's very simple. You'll get it down pat, no problem. Nice little weather pack connectors, basically. And there are multiple different brands on Amazon that sell the same thing, different sizes, different assortments. Here you can see the pre-wire pigtail ones, 2-pin harnesses. I have these exact same ones as well. These are $10. And I mean, you can get all different types of sets, and that's just from this brand. There's tons of other ones out there. You can get it with the crimpers. Maybe you don't have a crimper at home. Okay, these ones are a little bit more expensive. These are the Deutsch connectors, so that's going to get up there. Those those can get expensive, but there are, you know, some cheaper ones out there if you're not looking at doing that. These solder connectors, also fantastic. I'm getting on a rant now, but that's it as far as this week's Amazon tool deals. This is just some of the supplies that I keep around the shop and garage to have on hand all the time. Once again, all of these will be linked down in the description for you guys if you guys are interested, as well as those 2 additional links. If you guys enjoyed, make sure to smash that thumbs up, and if you guys haven't subscribed, make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.